थर्ड मेथड है कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड। गुडविल को कैलकुलेट करना है। कैपिटलाइजेशन गुडविल कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड, दैट इज कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट बी कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट। एक कैपिटलाइजेशन एवरेज प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू, under this method the value of goodwill is ascertained by deducting the actual capital employed in the business from the capitalized value of the average profit on the basis of normal rate of return minus this involves following step। रखा कि नंबर 1 ascertain the average profit based on the past 2 years performances। Second, ascertain the capitalized value of average profit upon capitalized value of the firm on the basis of the normal rate of return। Capitalized value of the firm is equal to average profit into 100 upon normal rate of return, where 100 upon normal rate of return is called the required rate of return multiplier। Ascertain the actual capital employed, net tangible assets by deducting outside liabilities from the total assets excluding goodwill। Net tangible assets is equal to total assets excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities। Number 4, compute the value of goodwill by deducting net tangible assets from capitalized value of the firm। Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of the firm minus net tangible assets। Example, a business has earned average profit of rupees 1 lakh during the last few years and the normal rate of return in a similar business is 10%. The value of total asset excluding goodwill of the business is rupees 10 lakh and its external liabilities are rupees 1,80,000। Solution क्या है? कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट दैट या और कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ द फर्म, दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही है। एवरेज प्रॉफिट इंटू 100 अपॉन नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज इक्वल टू 1 लाख इंटू 100 अपॉन 10 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 10 लाख। ये हमारे पास कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ द फर्म। इसके बाद नेट टेंजिबल एसेट फाइंड किया जाए। नेट टेंजिबल एसेट या एक्चुअल कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज इक्वल टू टोटल एसेट्स एक्सक्लूडिंग गुडविल एक्सटर्नल लायबिलिटीज is equal to rupees 10 lakh minus 1,80,000, that's it 8,20,000। Goodwill is equal to capital value of the firm and net tangible asset is equal to rupees 10 lakh minus 8,20,000, that is rupees 1,80,000। दूसरा आता है कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट। अंडर दिस मेथड देयर इज no need to work out the capitalized value of average profit। This involves following steps। Number of calculate actual capital employed of the firm which is equal to total assets excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities। Capital employed is equal to total assets excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities। Second, calculate normal profit on capital employed। Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100। Third, calculate average profit for past years। For calculate super profit by deducting normal profit from average profit। Super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit multiply the number 5 है multiply the super profit by required rate of return multiplier to get the value of goodwill of the firm। Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return। In the other words, goodwill is the capitalized value of super profit। Example, a partner firm earned net profit during the last 3 years rupees as follows: 1718 rupees 1,90,000, 1890 rupees 2,20,000, 1920 rupees 2,50,000। The capital employed in the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been rupees 4 lakh। Having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be a fair return on the capital। The remuneration of all the partners during this period is estimated to be rupees 1 lakh per annum। Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of number 1 2-year purchase of super profit earned on average basis during the above mentioned 3 years। And second है by capitalization method। Solution 1 है super profit method में normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100 is equal to 4 lakh into 15 upon 100 is equal to rupees 60,000। 4 lakh capital employed, rate 15%, इसे निकाला। Adjusted average profit minus annual remuneration all partners is equal to 1,90,000 plus 2,20,000 plus 2,50,000 upon 3 minus 1 lakh is equal to 2,20,000 minus 1 lakh, that is rupees 1,20,000। Super profit adjusted average profit minus normal profit 1,20,000 minus 6,000 rupees 60,000। Goodwill is super profit into number of year purchase, that is 60,002 is equal to 1,20,000। Solution second capitalization method के द्वारा कैपिटल वैल्यू ऑफ द फर्म इज इक्वल टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट टू 100 अपॉन नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न। तो रुपीज 1,20,000 तो 100 अपॉन 15 दैट इज रुपीज 8 लाख। ये हमारे पास कैपिटल वैल्यू Actual capital employed is equal to rupees 4 lakh. Or goodwill is capital value of the firm minus actual capital employed, that is 8 lakh minus 4 lakh is rupees 4 lakh.